Well, that's it. We got rod knock. Alright guys, before we get into the video, I want to look back at some of the best moments that we had with the Turbo Bullet. Then we'll bring you the night of destruction on how the Bullet ended.
So what do you think? Initial impressions?
I mean, hopefully it's just out of gas. I mean,
gas doesn't explain the smoke though.
Yeah, the smoke looks weird, man.
And the fact that we can't get a true oil level reading is concerning.
That is true.
So, I know you want the car, but we're not out here to make it rain and waste money. First thing that has to go is this exhaust tip right here though.
Yeah, it's kind of like that.
It's super whack. Nice little project. Woo!
Nothing, all of it.
This point's about 55.
Okay.
Okay guys, the GoPro just failed me, but I need to get my reaction. The car just went 10-7 at 127.
What is going on, guys? We have a fun video. You guys have been asking about the Bullet. We're gonna be reviving it today. We just picked up a starter and spark plugs. Let's go throw them in. I think spark plugs are the idle issue, and obviously it doesn't start, so it's gotta be a starter issue. All right, so we got our friend Jonathan right here. Johnny boy.
Yeah.
He's making a comeback on the channel. In from Rhode Island. We got the F-150, 1,000 horsepower F-150 coming soon. She's making a comeback. And he really wants to rip the Bullet, so he's a little motivated.
I mean, the fact that the starter bolts are loose is not good.
Hey, that could be why it doesn't work. Maybe that's the weird noise it was making. I also got to replace spark plugs, so let's get started on that. All right, we are going with some NGK TR6s. Very good plug for some low boost, one step colder, I believe, and they're super cheap, 20 bucks for a whole set of 8. Johnny boy over there got the starter out.
Oh, it's done.
Starter's done.
Yeah. I beat you to the starter. That's enough tune-up.
Yeah, well, so we got the plugs pulled out. They look good. I mean, besides they're black, which is what we were looking for because this thing runs like crap right now. So I think it just needs a set of plugs. We'll throw those in, and hopefully she starts up and purrs like a kitten. All right, spark plugs in. Oh, it's windy. It is windy. Make sure she's in neutral. Yeah, they're a little clapped, or a lot. Let her rip. Man, yo, that's the smoothest this thing started up in like a year.
Pretty good.
There we go.
Let it warm up for riding.
Yeah. Oh. It still has the issue.
No, I don't think, it sounded like a vacuum leak.
I'm gonna try to find it, but. All right, so it cleared up and we're giving her a little test drive. Seems like it's good. Still grinds. Freaking man. Let's see what she does in a little second.
It was just about a party and then
It did not sound
it
happy.
sounded like the charge pipe popped off. Charge pipe definitely popped off.
Yeah.
That's no fun. You want to pull over or just head back quick?
We can just head back quick. Charge pipe definitely. All right. Well, blew charge pipe. We'll pull off the bumper real quick. How's the hot exhaust, Johnny?
It's great.
Look at that smile.
There.
All right, bumper's off. Found our leak right there. Just a little boost leak. Tighten her up. Should be good to send. I might just leave the bumper off for a sec. Make sure we're all good. All right, I think she's ready to send.
Like that.
Yeah, you got slammer.
We gotta retake that.
What?
100%. We need a retake on that unit.
Why?
Wait, ready? Start again. Ready?
All right, I think she's ready to rip.
Oh, we're good.
I don't understand what just happened there. Did I miss something?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what she does. Alright, Johnny boy.
What's going on?
The Bullet is doing better.
It is a lot better.
Alright, so we're gonna go check out some runs in the Bullet. If the thing starts clearing up, you know, on boost, then we may get a few runs in. So like 3,500. Don't rate that. rod knock. We got oil pressure still, but we'll make it back. But I think the Bullet just finally met her match. Beat the balls off it tonight, and I'm here rod knock. You heard that too, right?
Oh yeah.
Time for built motor. There's only one thing to do now. We revive her after sitting for March, and she's a little pissed.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, she's toast. Poor baby. You want to hit the throttle body a little? Right there. Yep. Rod knock. She's toasted. Hopefully we make it back. Time for built motors, 700 wheel horsepower. It's just an excuse. Just an excuse to build it.
Alright, we're done here.
Oh, it's getting louder. Oh, maybe that's just because you opened the door.
Oh yeah, a little bit.
She got oil pressure. I mean, not that gauge does anything, but oh man. Stock motor, she had a good life. No more records for this young pup. It's all right. It's time for a motor. She's.
I gotta be out at home. It sounds like that.
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
It's time for built motor, anyways. Bro, what you think?
That sucks.
No, I mean, it's only gonna suck if we don't make it back.
We're not gonna make it back. This is not an LS.
You remember my 2-valve from back in the day? She knocked for a while. Gonzo, I will see you later.
You're sitting on my Jewel.
Huh?
Good luck. Hey, tell him to find me on.
I'll text you. Get it?
Right there.
Oh, Rainier.
I'll text him the videos. Yeah.
You're gonna keep.
We made it.
We
back,
did.
Back from Mexico, and I don't know. There's a noise for sure, engine noise, but like we're debating like it runs too good and like too smooth for it to be a rod bearing. So, I mean, it could be, you know, timing chain guide. It could be something in the head. I mean, it doesn't sound quite fast enough to be like in the head. You know, what do you think, John?
I think it's like timing chain guide, something relevant to that. It just doesn't have a knock noise to it.
Yeah,
it's too consistent.
Yeah, we were thinking like, oh, like maybe it was down on compression today. Like maybe that's why it did the weird cold start thing, and like maybe that's why it's been hesitating and breaking up all day. And if anyone says like we're stupid for beating on this car while it's like hesitating, they can go like screw themselves, because literally I'm kind of glad this is messed up, because now I can finally like build it. So
yeah.
You want to get out and film it as I like approach? Tap the throttle a little bit. All right, so obviously we had some fun in Mexico with the Bullet. It was acting a little weird all night, and then it cleared up, started running great. They always say they run great before they blow up. And then we got rod knock. So it actually wasn't that last pull I got on camera. It was actually one last pull, a second to third gear pull, and it felt really good, really fast. And then as the RPMs came down, started knocking. So Unfortunately, it looks like we're gonna have to do a built motor. If you guys do want to help support the builds, obviously we've got a lot of things going on, but I'm gonna have some Turbo Bullet stickers up on pre-sale. If you click the link down in the description, we're probably gonna do a built 2-valve motor in it and start to try to go pretty fast with this car. Undecided on stick shift or auto. You guys leave your comments down below what you think. Obviously the car needs like a T56 Magnum or maybe a built T45, built 3650, something like that. But leave your comments down below, let us know what you think, and we'll be bringing the Bullet back. I have a fuel system for it. You know, obviously it's got the suspension for it. We could probably throw a Strange 35 spline spool package in that car as well. And really bring the Bullet up to a very quick 8-9 second car. If we go auto, we might even be able to go 7. So that's my kind of thing, because obviously we got the GT500 being a stick shift, high horsepower monster, very heavy, but we could really go fast with a Bullet. And I've been talking with Jordan, Modular Head Shop, and I think we're going to do a similar build series, you know, showing everything to build a 2-valve. And so make sure you slap the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you guys in the next one.